Hello, Bacho. Let's read this question. The potential energy of a charged parallel plate capacitor. We have a charged parallel plate capacitor is given by mu naught. If a slab of dielectric constant K is inserted between the plates, then the new potential energy will be which of the following? ठीक है बच्चों? So in this question, what we're going to do, we have a parallel plate capacitor which is charged. So it's going to have a charge Q over here and minus Q over here. We're going to assume it is not connected to a battery, so the charge is going to be constant. It is not connected, and then we take a dielectric slab of dielectric constant K and insert it in between. So what happens is we have our capacitance. The new capacitance becomes K times the original capacitance, right? Because the value of epsilon in this case is going to become K times epsilon. So C is given by epsilon A by D, and now it's going to be given this is in air when there is air between them, but it is going to become K times epsilon naught A by D when there is dielectric. ठीक है बच्चों, तो हमारा जो capacitance है it is going to become K times the original capacitance. Now the formula of U is nothing but half C V square, where V is the potential difference between them, but we also know that Q is equal to CV. The charge is equal to capacitance times potential. So we can write U as nothing but Q square by 2C. ठीक है बच्चों? So now what we have is our U naught is given by Q square by 2 C naught, where C naught is the initial capacitance. Now, when we insert the dielectric, what happens is we have a different U. U is equal to Q is constant, as I explained before. Q is going to remain constant since there is no change in the charge. So we are going to have Q square by 2. But since the initial capacitance was C naught and now there is a dielectric in between, we are going to have the new capacitance as K times C naught. So we are going to have this as K times C naught. So now we have K times C naught. We can write this as nothing but 1 by K multiplied by Q square by 2 C naught. So we have 2 C naught, but this again over here is nothing but U naught. So we can write this as finally U is equal to U naught by K. Now let's see which option matches this. As you can see, option A is the new potential difference, or U naught by K. So this is going to be our final answer. Option A, U naught by K, is the new potential energy between the plates. I hope you understood the solution. Thank you very much.